Hi everyone, my name is Monica DePaul. I am a senior mass communications major with a track in public relations and a marketing minor. Today I will be speaking about a case known as Midler versus Ford Motor Company. In 1988, Ford Motor Company, in this case they are the defendant, created an ad campaign with several different television commercials. In these commercials, Ford had the desire to use famous songs from the 1970s, which would be re-recorded by their original artists. One such commercial was to feature the song Do You Want to Dance, which was originally performed by a nationally known singer whose albums had gone both platinum and gold, Bette Midler, who is the plaintiff. But Midler refused to re-record the song for the commercial. So, Ford's ad agency hired Eula Hedwig, who was actually a former backup singer for Bette Midler. Eula would impersonate Bette's voice and continue to use the song for the commercial, since it had been approved by the song's copyright holder. Midler's image was not used at all during the commercial, but many people had told her after it aired that the voice sounded exactly like her. So why did Midler sue Ford? She sued for the claiming of her protectable property right of publicity for her voice. The case was brought to the United States Court of Appeals 9th Circuit in the state of California. The case was evaluated through the First Amendment and found that it protects the likeness and sound when reproducing a person's identity. A First Amendment claim was not applicable because Ford's use in reproducing Midler's song and identity was cultural in nature. Midler was not satisfied, so she subsequently brought her case to an appellate court and pursued a common law judgment. The court thought about the question of whether or not an artist's voice is a distinctive personal feature which a person has controlling rights from appropriation over. Midler was not seeking damages for copyright infringement of the song itself, but rather for the use of her voice, which she claimed was distinctive of her person as a singer. The appellate court finally decided that a professional singer's voice is so unique to them and imitating something that is so personal without express consent is illegal. When a singer's voice that is so widely known gets replicated, the imitators are liable under tort law. Therefore, the court ruled in Midler's favor and she won $400,000 in damages on her tort claim. This case had set a precedent as it was the first case ever to raise an issue about using features of a celebrity's identity without authorization from that singer. This case applies to communications because a company unlawfully took advantage of a person to make an ad campaign that would benefit their business. Ad campaigns are used all the time in a form of marketing. Using a celebrity is a very common marketing tactic for a company to use for their services or products. Endorsements are heavily used as it gets the name of the product, the name of the company out there and in the consumer's mind. I hope you enjoyed this presentation and were able to learn a bit about a case that you may have not even heard of before. Thanks for watching.